Welcome to the demo for Sprint 3 of MoneyBinder. So one of the first things we did was in the chart of accounts, we added a bunch of the accounts. We have 114 entries. So this is a lot of data we can use to test. Only these first 10 actually have a balance. So we're mainly using these to test things like the journal. We added this min-max filter for the balance. So that all works if you want to get a range. We also changed it so that the user cannot change the initial balance after the account has already been made. And we also added this reports tab that has a drop down. These 4 buttons don't do anything, but this will be added in a future sprint. And so yeah, let's go to the journalized page. So this is the main thing we worked on. So let's go ahead and create a new entry. 4 types of entry types, description, entry date. And yeah, here's the list of the accounts that you can choose from. I'm just going to go with cash for now. All these fields are required, so it's going to say please select an item. Same with all 4 of these. If you select an account that has already been selected, even if the numbers are balanced, it's going to say cannot debit and credit from the same account. If we do something like this, where these 2 accounts are the same, it's going to say the same thing, cannot debit from the same account twice. Yeah, so you can only add numbers in here. If you add anything else, it will go away. You can only go to 2 decimal places, so if you go any farther, it will cut it off. If these are different, are not balanced, it'll also catch that. These debits and credits are not balanced. Here's the total debit, total credit. You can fix that. So let's go ahead and send this through. I'm actually going to do 500 each. See what happens. And there we go. So now we have the approve and decline. Here's the index with all the journal of accounts, or journal entries. So currently it is not set up for different users. For example, any user can approve or decline these, and any user can create a new entry. As you can see, the admin. I'm signed in as the admin. So in the future, we're going to add it so that only managers can see these approve and decline buttons, and the admin can't even see this journal entries page. So let's go ahead and approve this. There we go. Go to the chart of accounts, look at the cash and notes receivable. So cash went down by 500, and accounts receivable went up by 500. Oh, sorry, this one, notes receivable, sorry. Okay, so let's add multiple accounts here. So let's say I want to debit cash, put it back to 1,000. So let's do, or 2,000, I think. Let's do 500, and let's do petty cash 250 and notes receivable 250. I can keep on going down, and if I wanted, and add more and more accounts. Same with debiting accounts. There we go. So, like I said, I mean, if you check the chart of accounts, if I haven't said accept or decline, these are still the same because it's still pending. If I approve this, petty cash and notes receivable should go down by 250, and cash should go up by 500, which it does. 750, 750. Sweet. So let's go ahead and create an entry and decline it. Let's do something like let's do something like common stock. 1 cent. And let's credit it from cash. If I decline this, it will not go down by 1 cent. So these are still the same. This is still the same. So yeah, we have not worked on the ledger, so if you click on these, they just take you to a placeholder for where it's going to be. As you can see though, when you click the actual link, it goes to the number that you click. So 121, that's there. So it has the information there. We just need to implement it. And yeah, that is pretty much all we've done for Sprint 3. Thank you.